Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, in today's video, we're using the table of value. So guys, table of value counts as patterning. So guys, basically what table of value is, there has to be a term number, and you have to figure out the term. And guys, where I live, since last year because of COVID-19, we missed half of our year. So the government decided that we're gonna, in math for grade 6, we're gonna do a little bit of grade 7. So that would count as expressions. Figure out the expression, which I'll be doing after this. Okay, so our question says, what is the seventh term? So now I'm gonna write 5, 6, and 7. Now, first of all, I'll have to figure out what the term changes by. Okay, so as you can see, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So I know that they're adding 2. So I know that the term is changing by adding 2. So 8 plus 2 would be 10, and then 12, and then 14. So our seventh term is 14. So my answer is 14. A-N-S. Okay, here, let me just add a text. And guys, if like this comes in your test, you're probably gonna ask the pattern rule. So the pattern rule is, wait, let me write the answer. Answer 14. 14 is the seventh term. Okay, so guys, if this is like in your test, they will ask you for the pattern rule. So the pattern rule for this would be pattern rule. The pattern rule basically has to have a starting point and from how the term changes by. So in this table of values, you're adding by 2. So what I'm going to write is start. We need to have a starting point. Start at 2. The 2. Start at 2 and add 2 and add to each term. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then the expressions. How to figure out the expression. So now the expressions basically helps you figure out a higher term. So right now it only asks me what's the seventh term, and I drew it. I made a table of value and counted till the seventh term. But what if it had asked me the 106th term? I wouldn't make like a whole table of values, right? So in that case, I would use expressions. So what expression basically is, I have to figure out how 1 goes to 2 and how 2 goes to 4 and 3 goes to 6, but they all have to have the same expression. Okay, so in my question, I'm just gonna write. Okay, I messed up. In my question, I'm gonna write, what is the 40th term? What is the 40th term? So first of all, we'll have to forget the expression. So I'm gonna do my writing here and write out expression. Now usually this takes me a bit time also, since like this was my first time doing it. So I know that 1 plus 1 equals to 2, but does 2 plus 1 equals to 4? No. So let me try this. I know 2 times 2 equals to 4, but does 1 times 2 equals to 2? Yes. 3 times 2 equals to 6. 4 times 2 equals to 8. 5 times 2 equals to 10. 6 times 2 equals to 12. And this is a hint, big hint. So how I looked at how my term is changing. There was a 2 here. So that, like, most of the times there in your expression there will be the number that your term is changing by. So in this question, my term was changing by 2, so I knew that in my expression there has to be a 2 somewhere. So my expression is 2n. So 2n. 2n. Now you're asking, why did I 2n? So when there's a number, when there is a letter beside a number, that means multiplication, and the n stands for term number, and the term number is 40th. Now I'm gonna answer my question. What is the 40th term? I'm gonna write it. So first of all, what you usually should write is write your expression again. Then you're gonna write 2 in brackets, because the 9 has to be multiplied, n has to be multiplied, and the n stands for 40th. So bracket, and then you're going to solve it. What is 40 times 2? We know, 80. So our answer should be 80. Okay, let's write this down. The 40th term would be 80. So this should be correct, and I think it is correct. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like if you like my videos, and bye. Hope this helps.